Hello students, my name is Parth Kumar Singh and I am an alumnus of IIT Jodhpur. Today we are going to discuss a question that was asked in IAT 2019. Basically, the specific reason why I have brought up this question, however I know that this question is relatively easy for you guys, but the thing is that in the answer key that you may find on the internet, the answer was given none of the above and the grace marks was given to all the students who have attempted this question. But the thing is that this concept is clear in the NCRT, and as per that concept the answer should be one of these options. So that is why I have brought up this question, and today we are going to see that how does we have to solve this question. In this question we have been given a dihalide, right? So basically this is a adjacent dihalide, right? And we have to treat it with KOH, ETOH. Now most of the students may get confused while seeing this mixture of KOH and ETOH, but if you look closely, it is nothing but alcoholic KOH. And we all know that what does this mixture of alcoholic KOH does? Elimination, right? So what will happen? Either of this bromine and an adjacent hydrogen will substantially leave this compound and will give a elimination product, that is this one, right? Suppose, right? Now we know that still there are two hydrogens left on this position and this leaving group is also there. So chances of elimination are also still available. But the thing is that now if we want to do elimination, we have to use a stronger base. Alcoholic KOH will not solve the purpose here. So in the second step, what they have used, soda amide. And soda amide, now you tell me, NH2 minus, and here it produces OETO minus. Which one is a better base? You yourself know that as the electronegativity of the atom having negative charge along the period, if we are comparing, decreases, the basicity increases. So definitely NH2 minus is a stronger base as compared to ETO minus, and thus NaNH2 serves as a stronger base here, and it tend to abstracts a proton from here and let this bromine also leave the compound, giving another molecule of HBr outside and giving you an alkyne, right? So your compound was supposed to be B, option B. But in the answer key, it was mentioned that none of these is correct. However, you can look closely into the NCRT of basically this chapter, like haloalkenes and haloarenes. You will find out basically that this reaction is given and this concept is clearly shown that double elimination can happen if we use KOH, ETOH in the first step and NaNH2 in the second. So basically, if you like this type of question, then you can always like and show your love in the comment box. You can always tell us that what else you want to see, and this question was thus the ambiguous question in 2019, and now you know the answer too, right? Thank you.